Here we have the chicken palace with a solar light that goes under here, and we have solar lights all the way down now. I don't know if you can tell, but I've redone the netting, so it's much nicer in here. And there's girls running off. Yeah, their little trot. Anyway, so and now I have the chick annex. So let me see if I can get back a little bit so you can tell what's in here. We have this structure. See how they fit together? I have one 10 by 20, of which 10 foot's used. And then over here, I have the chick annex. And what is so cool about this is this neat little door here. So, I have a half door, so I don't have to open up everything else. And then a full door. Not opening way. Oh. How the hell did I do that? There we go. There. And you can see up here. But with no roof line, the damn thing sags. And it gets wet. And it's no good. But I'm going to fix that. Hopefully today. Then we have a little area for them. And as you can see, it's right next to the other one.